Good morning, Trendy Squad. I am back and I'm back with another video. So today, oh shoot, I got so today I'm going to be a judge at a little casting call for a new clothing boutique here in Savannah, Georgia. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I got a game because I play kickball later. So I just thought that I should vlog it, and maybe this could be my first vlog. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and check out the videos and like them and comment and tell me what you think and tell me what you want to see next. But I'll be back later when I guess when I get dressed and when I get myself together. So stay tuned. What's up, y'all? I am back and I'm about to do something to my hair. So I don't know if y'all know my channel or not, but if y'all look at my videos, y'all see I got like a little how-to video on how to do like a sleek back ponytail with the bobby pins in it. That's what I'm about to do. That's my go-to hairstyle when I'm in between hairstyles. My braider couldn't get me in, and everybody just so booked and busy around here, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm about to do that hairstyle, and I will link that video in my description box so y'all can watch it if y'all want to. But I'm about to blow dry me a little bit and get started, and I'll come back in a minute. All right, y'all. So I think I did my makeup way better than I did it the first time. Like, check this shit out. Like, this stuff look kind of flawless. Wait. Ooh, maybe I need to do my stuff off of makeup and not talking to y'all or something. Because, baby, I'm cute. Wait. Like, just look at this. Look at the eyebrows and stuff. And I took one of my subscribers' advice and she told me not to line the top and just line the bottom. And that's what I did. Like, look at this. Ooh, baby, I feel like a real YouTuber. Look. Ooh, how they be on YouTube? Baby, I ain't master how to do the little thing yet when you have to edit it in little slow motion, but keep watching them. I'm gonna get it. But this is cute. And why would you want to add the bobby pins? Cause this cute just look like how it is. Y'all think I should add the bobby pins or not? The bobby pins look cute, but I don't know. Ooh, but my makeup is cute. Get at me, yo. Oh, I forgot the lipstick. Hold on. All right, I'm going back with my purple. I love purple. So if y'all don't know about me, I don't know y'all know about me, but let me tell y'all, my favorite colors are, my first favorite color is black, baby. And then my second favorite color is neon, and then my third is purple. Baby, I ain't gotta go to get my makeup done no more, baby. I could beat my own face. Whoo! But yeah, stay tuned to the next clip because I'm gonna be in the car or something. What's up, y'all? So I'm right here to the Salvation Army with the little I'm talking about the little with the actual model casting is gonna be, and I'm waiting on the boutique owner to come so we can go in here and get this stuff on the road. But yes, I'll talk to y'all again when I get in the inside. Oh, but y'all see I had added me some bobby pins to my hair. Bobby pinning it up. Period. I don't like this little piece right here. Why this can't be together? It's always one side I don't want to do right. I will be cute. See how cute and straight this is over here? Real cute. This right here got to be like a bird. But this the side why my little two braids came outside with ball over here, y'all. Roll back. That's messed up. Let me stick to this side. I'll see y'all in a minute here. So y'all, I am here. And the name of the boutique is Slaying Pounds Effortlessly. It is a plus size boutique, baby. Cute shirt. I can see what I got on. I messed it up, y'all. But I could definitely see my shirt that I got on. Slaying Pounds Effortlessly. With some Vans. Baby, I'm huge. You know. So what happened, Amber? Cause y'all check out Amber. See here, Amber. Girl. Listen. What you want to say for the camera, girl? This Amber, y'all. This my best friend from years ago. There's nothing back there, honey. Period. Nothing back there.
I ain't walking today, you know.
See, he knows. He don't like me, child, so bunk him. He don't like me. What's up? Baby. I wish I could, though. Oh, y'all see here, Jordan.
Why you ain't,
baby. Right. Show him, Josh.
You want to chat?
Yeah.
Come back here.
Hit that one more time. Hit that one more time. Hit that thing. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This one for right now.
Baby Josh ain't hit that.
I mean, that's it. I mean, I show them and tell them like what they
Right.
with everything else they need to do, just to present themselves and how to go. Then after that, then you will judge them off of their performance.
Right. Ain't no music or nothing?
Yeah, it's gonna be some music.
Oh, okay, perfect. Y'all, we is getting this together, honey. Period. Period.
However you want to walk, you want to freestyle it. And we'll tell them after the first 10 people, and we'll start it off.
Nas, come on. Come on. Come on. Go with your grandma. Come on. You so nice. You just want to put the music? I got a phone.
No, he ain't.
Say.
Like female.
Nas.
What you had got him? What you had say? What you had say about him?
All right, y'all. I made it. Finally made it to the field to be playing. I'm here about to go meet my team and see where they at. We play at 6 o'clock. Okay. They don't ever First of all, she bitch ass to fucking play. Go. Okay. You gonna go tear that ass up, ain't it? You got a little footage of the action.
She went all the way back. Yeah. We're gonna do some big gay when you come in. I'm thinking I might need a knee brace or an elbow brace. Not the elbow brace. They so you know that's why her
Okay. She's gonna stay still.
That was on. He would have
Jump close.
They got like 74. Yup. They were 4 people keep, but I don't know.
That's some cold shit, Dave. Look at me, as y'all could have seen, I had got myself out. Yo, the game is over. The score was 14-2. Yeah. I did. Yeah. Please, I did do a little something. I did a little something. How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm
She
good.
did something.
Yeah. Vlog right here. Thank y'all for watching my first ever vlog. And it might look like I keep looking this way or the opposite way or whatnot, but the damn camera right here, I'm recording on my camera, my phone. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my first ever vlog. Like that thing up, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to 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 tell a friend about Just Trendy in YouTube channel. And I'll see y'all next one. Deuce.